snowstorm of 2021. What fun, huh? Who would have guessed this would happen? Since last Thursday, for a week now, we've been having this mess. Now, we haven't had water since last night in Belmead. No power in Belmead. We didn't have any from Monday to last night, so Tuesday night. It's been a roller coaster, I think, for everybody in Texas. I think everybody's like shocked because we went through COVID last year, and now this. It's just awful. I just went through the grocery stores. I guess I should have taped there, but there was no bread, no water. I got lucky at a gas station. I got some water. I deliver groceries for a living, but I am glad I didn't work again today because the roads were horrible. I'm just lucky that this is the way it is here. This is probably the only stretch of road that I've seen that's not horrible. Like I got, just now I got lucky, honestly. It's been nice everywhere. It's a blessing from God, honestly. I don't understand this. It's just really odd to experience this here. And then the way that it was handled with the power being shut off everywhere in Texas because somebody decided that would be the thing to do. I'm sure the engineers, who know a whole lot more than me, you know, they're like, well, we did the right thing, but you know, it's kind of hard to tell that to people that depend on electricity to stay alive, like people in dialysis, people that have breathing machines, oxygen machines, a lot of businesses, you know, no small business. Like these guys here, they have the best fajita nachos in Waco, the Pollo Regio, great chicken. They haven't been open for a week, and there's a new business here, you know, and I feel bad for those guys. These guys over here, and myself, I'm not making money, you know. Can't really make money. There's no power in some places, or water. Belmead here, this area that I'm in now, there's no water. See, now you can see the the shiny stuff that looks like water. That's ice. That's ice. It's frozen. The sun hasn't come out, so it won't melt it. And maybe tomorrow it's supposed to warm up, supposedly. I thought today was gonna warm up, but it's like the cold just doesn't want to leave us. So it's pretty bad. So I don't know what's gonna happen. We'll see. See if I can make this drive home. I'll put this on YouTube, I guess. A little record of our horrible winter. I know global warming is real. So, you guys, just let you know from Texas, it's February, that global warming is a thing, you know. So I'll just make sure you drive electric cars, because you know there's no other way to, you know, survive if you don't have an electric car. So anyways, we'll see what happens here. think I'm gonna get out on the road anymore. That was a close call there. That's not snow anymore, that's ice now. Nice ice. There was a sheet of ice that formed on Sunday, and then we had snow Monday, Tuesday, and then yesterday on Wednesday it sleet for about an hour, so that was, we got about probably half an inch to an inch of that on top of the snow. So it's just incredible, just incredible.